Hello, good morning po sa inyong lahat. I just like to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to those who follow me in my personal Facebook account. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So, I just follow yung payo ni advice ni sino nga yun sa nag-ano ng kung anong niche yung dapat natin gawin. So, I chose the niche of about health and wellness since I'm manager of Forever Living Products International. So, ang gagawin ko po is yan, makikita nyo every day my daily activities go on a Zumba. Then, magkakaroon din ako ng mga, ayun nga, sa corporate event namin sa Forever Living Products International since I am a manager, not only here in the Philippines, but in more than 160 countries. And also, ano pa ba? It's more about health and wellness, about our products, about my daily activity, kung ano yung ginagawa ko para maging healthy. Kasi nga, I am already 55 years old, so kailangan na natin maging as a content creator, ano ba yung maitutulong mo sa ibang tao para maging healthy din sila. So, yun ang mission namin dito sa Forever Living Products International, is to help others also to learn how to become or how to have a healthy living lifestyle. Kumbaga, paano pa mapahaba yung buhay natin? Kasi nga sa panahon ngayon, mahirap magkasakit, di ba? So, kailangan gawin natin kung ano yung nararapat. Dito kasi sa pagsusumba, I feel that masaya ka na at the same time nakakapag-exercise ka pa. Di ba? Kumbaga, you can enjoy your daily routine in your lives. And one more thing is that I really felt good every time I see them na nagiging masaya sila kasi nga even in their old age from 40s and above to 50 to 60 to 70 and meron pang 80 and above na nagsusumba sa Zone 9 Central Signal Village. And hopefully I can encourage you also to have a physical activity in your lives kasi nga mahirap magkasakit lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Lahat mahal. And para maiwasan yon, one thing to do is mag-exercise po tayo everyday and take our daily food supplement or kung may mga maintenance man kayo, i-take nyo yun araw-araw para maiwasan natin magkasakit because health is wealth. Sabi nga sa Forever Living Products, the power of Forever Living Products is the power of love. We need to be concerned to our fellow beings, sa mga kapitbahay natin, kaibigan natin, na mabuhay rin sila ng doing a healthy lifestyle. Kaya ginagawa ko to kasi I do a Zumba every day, from Monday to Friday. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga subscriber, thank you so much from the